Hi guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix the error code 273 in Roblox. Before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. The Roblox error code 273 is a kicked from the game type error. It usually happens when the system thinks your account is logged in from another device or there is a system conflicts. So here what we are gonna do is just we are going to check out all the session. So for that you need to enter into the settings at the top right corner. After that enter into the security and scroll down, and you may see the session you were logged in. You can individually log out from one of the session you were multiple login, and or otherwise you can make a logout from all the session. Just press it and log out from all the session and again log in from one of your system, and the error will be solved. So I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more tech videos please subscribe TechTube. Thank you guys, bye bye.